All right, guys. 2008 Kia Optima. This is 4-cylinder car. As you can see, we have a broken door handle right here. All right, so we're gonna be replacing this door handle. To replace this door handle, we have to remove this panel right here, right? So first of all, you can remove this little piece here. This is just clips on. You could just yank it real hard. You're gonna remove these clips in there, and then you can just put it to the side like that. All right, and then you're gonna pop open this lid. There's a screw in here. If you come back here, there's a screw over here. I removed this one a little bit. It probably got like a little cover on it, and same thing over here. It has like a little cover, and then it comes off. And then you have one in here, right down here, and then you have two screws in the bottom, one here and one there. Once you remove all those, you should be able to pull this panel off, right? You're just gonna yank it real hard. This is held in by clips afterwards, and it should come off. Let me just try to finish removing this one screw on this side. The one I showed you in the corner here, this is the one. I'll just toss it there. All right, guys. So now what you're gonna do next is you're gonna grab this panel and yank it, all right? Because I already did that, that's why it's loose. All right, and I should be able to remove this door panel. All right, guys, before taking out the panel, I just want to show you one thing. What I did was I removed this little housing right here. All right, this housing, this cover on the door handle is held in by two clips. So you can put a screwdriver right here, flathead, and pop it open, and this should come off. All right, guys, you got the little hook on this side which goes in there. So once you pop this open, you should be able to take it off just like that. All right, so this door handle, somebody worked on it, so this is not my concern here, all this stuff. The door handle has one screw in there, but you do need to remove this panel. So let's continue working. Let me just come out. So I'm gonna lift this up, and these wires are pretty strong, so just let this door handle sit here a little bit. Now we have access to the door panel. I'm sorry, to the door handle. Let me go grab my screwdriver, which is right down here. So this door handle, it has two cables. As you can see, somebody worked on this, so I'm not gonna pay attention to this. It has two cables, and then it has a flathead. I'm sorry, Phillips head screw right there. Right, make sure you save this Phillips head screw, because we're gonna put the same one back in. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this back and pull the handle out. Right, guys, and you can remove this taping. And right back here, make sure you put these, the cables, don't invert them, don't switch them around, because one is for lock, one is for the door handle. So the green one goes to the door handle, the black one goes to the switch for the lock and an unlock. So all you do is you just pull them out of the place, just lift them up, and you should be able to take these out fairly easy. All right, now we're gonna wait for the new door handle, and we're gonna replace this door handle. All right, guys, just bear with me, and let's wait for the handle to come in. All right, guys, we got the new part. The part number is right there. All right, if you guys need to know the part number, this is the doorman 96534. So I'm gonna open this box. All right, there's the handle, looks about the same. There you go, guys, there's the handle. All right, guys, so you see these two latches, they go in, slide in, there's one here, so just pay attention to that stuff. Again, this little green cable goes into the handle. All right, guys, it's a little tricky to get it in there, but I'm sure you can do it. All right, and then you clip in this end just like that. Same thing with this one. You're gonna get the, I don't even know what this thing is called, but just get that big drum looking type of thing in there, and then the cable slides in, and after that you just yank this cables in. I'm not done with this one. This one's not all the way in, so I'm gonna push it in a little bit more. There you go, it clicks right in. Same thing with that one. All right guys, we have that in. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this handle in. You can test it before you put it in. All right guys, we're done pretty much here. Don't forget that Phillips head screw that goes right there. There you go. Alright guys, this little thing was all a big mess, so I'm gonna leave it and try to get it as best as I can from where I took out. After that, we're gonna put this panel back in. It slides in from here first. Make sure you get a good and nice flush from the top. And after that, let me show you. Remember how I told you when you take out, you push this out? Now you just bang it in. Right guys? That's it guys. And after that, just put the screw in here, the screw in here, the screw that goes in the cover, 2 screws in the bottom, and the one that goes here. And then don't forget to put the tweeter on. And that's it guys. That's how you change a door handle on 2008 Kia Optima. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. And that's it. If you guys need any other help, let me know. Bye bye. Alright guys, you're probably wondering how I'm gonna get this piece in. Just want to show you guys how to get this piece in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring across here, you're gonna open the handle, make this go through right through, and this is simple. It takes only like a minute. You do gotta line the 2 little clips in the back, and that's it guys. And after that, make sure you put in all the screws. You don't want to leave nothing behind. And this one goes here. I'll close the lid up there. That's done. Right over here there was a screw with a little plastic cover. There's one more little plastic piece that it fell on the floor. I gotta look for it. I'll do that later. Alright guys, I have that in. And then I also had one more. Well, let me put this in before we talk any further. This cable, you gotta tuck it in a little bit, and after that you clip this in and you just smack it guys. Then you have one that goes in here. This was a dirty one, so this is the one that I'm gonna put down here. And then you take the cover, make sure you put the cover on. Alright guys, I have that in. I'm gonna move more further. I had one that goes back here. I don't have good lighting, so I gotta position my own light. I gotta hold it. Alright, let me lift this up. This one goes right here guys. As you can see, this is black, and the trim panel matches with it. Black, and this had a little plastic cover. The one on the other side, it was white, gray, whatever you want to call it. It had a gray little lid. I do have the lid for this one, so let me get that. See this little lid right here? This goes on top of this. On that other side here, it had a gray lid on top of this, right? And now I got 2 screws that goes in the bottom right here, all the way in the bottom of the panel. And I'm done. I'll put those on. Thank you for watching guys, and subscribe, and please like my videos.